am really excited to share with you this traditional Sri Lankan Christmas cake recipe. It is a moist, flavorful cake that is unlike any other fruit cake I have ever tried before, and I think you will love it just as much as I do. Here is the original recipe my Sri Lankan friend Nadee sent me.
To make this rich fruit cake, you will need 125 grams of pumpkin preserve, 125 grams of sultanas, 125 grams of raisins, 50 grams of dried black currants, 65 grams of ginger preserve, 65 grams of chow chow preserve, 65 grams of candied orange peel, 65 grams of dried cherries, 125 grams of chopped cashews, 1 teaspoon of almond extract, 1 teaspoon of rosy extract, 1 tablespoon of brandy, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1/2 teaspoon of allspice. Next, mix all the fruits and nuts together until everything is evenly combined. Then cover the mixture and let it rest for 3 hours to allow the flavors to blend. Now, in a separate bowl, mix together 125 grams of sugar and 6 egg yolks. Use an electric mixer to beat them until the mixture turns pale and creamy, as you can see in the video here. Next, add the zest of 1 lime to the egg mixture and mix it well so the lime flavor blends in and gives a fresh, zesty kick to the mixture. Now, add all the fruit mixture to the egg mixture and mix everything together gently until it's fully combined. Make sure all the fruits and nuts are evenly coated with the egg mixture so you get a nice, even texture throughout the cake. Next, toast 125 grams of semolina in a dry pan over medium heat, stirring frequently until it turns a light golden brown and releases a pleasant nutty aroma. Next, add 125 grams of unsalted butter to the semolina and mix it in until the butter has fully blended in, making the semolina mixture smooth and well combined, as you can see in the video here. Next, add the semolina and butter mixture to the fruit and egg mixture and mix everything together until it is well combined. Next, mix 15 grams of flour with 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Then, add it to the cake batter along with 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and stir everything together until well combined. Next, in a separate bowl, beat 2 egg whites using an electric mixer on medium speed until they begin to form soft peaks, as you can see here. Then, fold the egg whites into the cake batter. Now, pour the cake batter into your prepared cake tin. I like to use 2 to 3 layers of parchment paper underneath the baking sheet to help prevent the cake from burning. Spread the batter evenly with a spatula or the back of a spoon. Then smooth the top to make sure it's level before baking. Bake the fruit cake in the preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour and 20 minutes. Check with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, the cake is done. Once the cake has cooled slightly, remove it from the cake pan. Gently peel off the parchment paper, making sure not to tear the sides of the cake. This Sri Lankan Christmas cake is full of rich, fruity flavors with a moist and dense texture. It has a wonderful balance of sweetness and spice, and it gets even better after a few days, making it a perfect treat to enjoy over the holidays.
If you enjoyed this traditional fruitcake recipe, you will definitely want to try this soft gingerbread cookie recipe, which was a hit last Christmas and will be again this year. Check it out here.